It's time to do oil change for this 6.7 Cummins 15W40 full synthetic, the best of the best. I just replaced it. It's kind of tricky, but I did it. I already did it. Monster is a good choice. Monster. Well, I got a fuel filter number if you guys need it, just in case. 6.7 Cummins 2013, and this is what I use every time that I change my oil on my 6.7 Cummins. I feel good and I feel confident using Rotella T6 full synthetic, 15W40 full synthetic. It's a good oil. I recommend it 100%. It takes by 3 gallons. This is the second one. And this is the last one, the third one. Still, we gotta do the fuel filter next. Now is a little bit hard to loosen them up, but it's okay. We get it. And finally get it. It's good. It's good to add automatic transmission fluid. Transmission fluid to the where the fuel filter is. So we gotta add a little bit. All right. See, this is a little bit better than Lucas. It keeps your fuel injectors clean. See, a new trick. All right, we need to get it clean. It's a little bit dirty, but that's okay. We clean it. We got another one. What we need to do, just clean it with air compressor and put it back in. Well.